GTech network, ladies and gentlemen. So they just prompted me to update the app to the latest version. Updated, let's launch it and see what's new. And here we are. Watch out to get banners. Add not available. Watch out to spin. Add not available. So what have you guys actually updated? So back to the web page, and the web page seems to be working fine. And this is, by the way, they have released their contract address as I speak with you now. They have deployed on Binance Smart Chain, and their contract address is live. You can actually add it on your DeFi wallet, talking about Trust Wallet, MetaMask, OKX, etc. So they made this known via their official social media channels. On Twitter, they have a followership of 35k, and the handle is GTech Network. 1 hour ago, GTC smart contract is live on BNB Smart Chain BB20 network. There is the link. Users can integrate GTC into non-custodial wallet, and the contract address is right here. So let's copy this and go add it. So I'm on OKX. So to add the token, you scroll down, and when you see this manage crypto here, you tap on it. And when it opens, you search with name or address, you paste it there. Then it will return no result. You click on add custom crypto. Then you select network. It's already said is BNB, right? So BNB chain, you select it and you paste the contract address here, and you wait for it to bring out the symbol, or you can simply just tap in the place for symbol and it will automatically load those up. So the symbol is GTC, as we already know the decimal is 18. Then you click on confirm. Ladies and gentlemen, you have successfully added GTC to your wallet. So back to the portfolio and open. You see some of my assets, low value assets, are hidden. So you click on the drop arrow there to open more. So you scroll through, you scroll down, and GTC has been added here, right? So far there is no price. Of course, you already know, we all know that the token has not yet launched. It's just been deployed on BNB Smart Chain, but this entails progress, right? That the project is not just in one place, they're actually making progress, right? And by the way, if you're not already farming GTC, that's GTech network, I'll leave you my invite link in the pinned comment, as well as on the Telegram page, so you can jump and register and start mining. I've done a couple of videos about them, a full tutorial on how to mine. I'll be leaving the link to that in the description box of the video, so you can jump on it and get yourself well on your way to go. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.